How to use stool collection kit for EarlytectC colon cancer test. Hello, everyone. Are you ready to start EarlytectC colon cancer test? EarlytectC colon cancer test is a high-performance biomarker-based molecular diagnostic test for colorectal cancer that can be performed comfortably at home without bowel preparation, anesthesia, or fasting. We have obtained Class 3 approval for in vitro diagnostic medical devices from the Korea Ministry of Food and Drug Safety. EarlytectC colon cancer test proved high sensitivity and specificity in a clinical trial conducted at Yonsei Medical Center, Severance Hospital, and Severance Checkup Center. Shall we learn how to use stool collection kit? What do you need to know before using stool collection kit? EarlytectC colon cancer test does not require you to stop or change the food or medication you are taking. Even the symptoms of inflammatory hemorrhoids do not affect its results, as it is a DNA molecular diagnostic test. Do not use stool collection kit in the following conditions. Do not use stool collection after diarrhea or after taking colonic irrigation. Certain conditions may result in erroneous judgments or render judgments impossible. Except for these conditions, you may collect the stool at any time convenient for you. After you collected the sample, please submit it as soon as possible. Now, we will share how to use stool collection kit. Check the components of the stool collection kit. First, see if all components of the stool collection kit are included in the package. Make sure that the box includes a stool collection tube, stool collection paper, stool sampling tool, label card, stool collection tube collection bag, disposal bag, and instructions for use. Now, we have all the components, let's collect the stool sample. Preparation for stool collection. Be sure to collect the stool in the bathroom. Remember, this kit is a single-use product and may not be reused. Prepare collection tube, sampling tool, and collection paper for stool collection. Remove the lid of the stool collection tube and place it on a flat surface to prevent it from tipping over. Do not drink the preservation solution from the stool collection tube or remove or swallow the beads. Peel the white adhesive tape off both ends of the stool collection paper. Raise the toilet or bidet cover and attach the adhesive tape to a suitable position on the toilet. When the stool collection paper is secured, remove the cover and defecate. When you defecate, make sure that urine does not enter the stool collection paper. Stool collection. Collect the stool with a stool sampling tool and place it in the stool collection tube. Fill it with the stool until the solution rises to the marked limit. For an accurate examination, a sufficient amount of the stool must be collected from 4 or 5 different sites. Since cancer cells are exfoliated and excreted externally together with the normal cells, they are not evenly distributed in the stool. So, it is necessary to collect the stool from various sites to get an accurate result. After collecting the stool, close the lid tightly to prevent the content from leaking and shake it up and down several times to disperse the stool evenly in the solution. Please flush the stool collection paper and the stool in the toilet and dispose of the stool sampling tool in a disposal bag. Attach a label card. Prepare the label card enclosed in the stool collection kit and write your name, date of birth, and date of stool collection on it. Attach the label to the stool collection tube. Now, you are ready to submit your stool collection kit. Submitting stool collection kit. Once you put the collection tube back into the stool collection kit and submit it, that's the end of the EarlytectC colon cancer test. The doctor in charge will explain the test results after the test analysis is completed. The test result can be positive, negative, or ray analysis required. Please refer to the instructions for each result. If you cannot use stool collection kit right away, please store it as follows. EarlytectC colon cancer test, a new colorectal cancer screening method patented worldwide. Detect early, protect your life. If you have any questions about EarlytectC colon cancer test, please contact the EarlytectC Customer Center. That's all for the instruction on the stool collection kit. Thank you. This is the end of the EarlytectC stool collection kit.